everyone, my name is Imas Masari Putri, and here I will presentation for part 3C and last part and completion tasks. Okay, for the example 1, the student waits outside the rain or fall heavily, and so this sentence is complete with the absolute construction. And the right sentence, the student waited outside the rain falling heavily. And the explanation, this sentence use absolute construction because the phrase the rain fell heavily has its own subject, the rain, which does not refer to the students. Okay, for the example 2, the teacher entered the room carrying a stack of books, and so this sentence is complete with the participle phrase and the right sentence. The teacher entered the room carrying a stack of books, and the explanation in this sentence, the phrase carrying a stack of books can function to describe the main subject, namely the teacher, because the action of carrying the books is carried out by the same subject as the main clause. The structure used is a participle phrase but not an absolute construction. Okay, for the example 3, the sun arises slowly, we begin our morning hike. Okay, so this sentence is complete with the absolute construction, and the right sentence, the sun rising slowly, we begin our morning hike. And explanation in this sentence, the phrase the sun rising slowly has its own subject, the sun, which is different from the subject of the main clause. This phrase provides the time setting for the activity, so it is included in the absolute contraction. Okay, for the example 4, the little boy ran to his mother hold a broken toy. And so this sentence is complete with the participle phrase. And the right sentence, the little boy ran to his mother holding a broken toy. And explanation, the phrase holding a broken toy describes the state and activity of the little boys because the subject of the phrase is the same as the main subject in the sentence, and the structure is a participle phrase. Okay, for the example 5, the streets are become quiet. The shopkeepers close their doors, and so this sentence complete with the absolute contraction. Okay, for the right sentence, the street becoming quiet. The shopkeepers close their door. And explanation, the phrase the street become quiet has its own subject, the street, which is not the same as the shopkeepers, and therefore this phrase describes the condition that causes the action in the main clause and making it an absolute contraction. Okay, for the example 6, and the woman sat by the window watch or the birds. And so this sentence is complete with participle phrase. And the right sentence, the woman sat by the windows watching the birds. And explanation in the sentence, the phrase watching the birds describes an activity carried out by the main subject, the woman, and because the phrase does not have a spared subject and directly explains the main subject, this structure is a participle phrase. Okay, for the example 7, and the ceremony ended, everyone or live quietly, and so this sentence complete with the absolute contraction. And the right sentence, the ceremony ended, everyone living quietly. And explanation in this sentence, the phrase everyone living quietly has its own subject, everyone, which is distinct from the ceremony. And therefore the phrase serves to describe the situation that occurred after the event concluded, making it an absolute contraction. Okay, for the example 8, the dog followed its owner word its file. And so this sentence is complete with the participle phrase. Okay, for the right sentence, the dog followed its owner wagging its tail. Explanation: the phrase wagging its tail describes the dog's behavior when following its owner. And because this phrase directly relates to the main subject, it uses a participle phrase. Okay, for the example 9, the lights are flicker. The children became scared, and so this sentence is complete with the absolute contraction. And the right sentence, the lights flickered, the children became scared. And explanation: the phrase the lights flickers has its own subject, the lights, which is not the same as the children. And because this phrase indicates a condition that causes the reaction in the main clause, it's categorized as an absolute contraction. Okay, for the example 10 or example last, the athlete collapsed at the finish line, breathe or happy. And so this sentence is complete with the absolute contraction. And the right sentence, the athlete collapsed at the finish line, is breathe happy. And explanation: the phrase breathing happily describes the athlete's physical condition after crossing the finish line. Because the phrase describes the main subject without introducing a new subject, and this structure is a participle phrase. Okay, that's all from me. I apologize if there are any incorrect pronunciation, and I hopefully this is useful and can be understood clearly. And see you. Bye bye.